This right here, ladies and gentlemen, what we have is a Pepsi Sakura. This was actually originally released, I believe it was around February 17th of 2014. It was said to have a cherry blossom flavor to it. This thing actually started out as a pink colored liquid, but you might notice nowadays it is dimmed down quite a bit and it almost looks completely like a cloudy white. But if you look very closely, you can still just barely see some pink tints in it. But that's just part of the aging process on a Japanese Pepsi Sakura. Pretty cool item. I think one of these times I'll probably open that and do a review on it. But for now, what a cool looking treat there. What else? The expiration date looks to be August 25th of 2016. So this bottle right here might have been released in probably the earlier part of 2016, like let's say maybe February or March. So it seems to be that Pepsi Sakura might have had like a 2 or 3 year run, or maybe not. Either way, it was definitely a limited edition because it didn't last forever. And there you have it. Pepsi Sakura, ladies and gentlemen.